everybody. It's currently 7:18 in the morning. I'm on my way to high school. I'm a senior, if you guys didn't know that, so I figured I'd make a video of me taking my DR-Z to school. I've done it before, so I'm not expecting any crazy reactions from anybody, but we'll see what happens. It's nice and cold out this morning though, so the bike's running a little lean because the air is nice and thin, so she's going. My nipples are really hard though, it's so cold. It's a little wet out, so I'm not trying to eat it either. But we're gonna jump it. Yeah, that was weak. It's a little wet out, so I'm kind of just cruising. I'm not really trying to eat it either, so no wheelies. But that's really hard not to do, since all that this bike likes to do is wheelies. No, all that I like to do on this bike is wheelies. That sounds a little bit better. Sounds about right. I should have wore a thicker sweatshirt, freezing my nuts off. Any of you guys that own a DR-Z, you completely understand what I just did. It's like, you'll be in 5th gear and you're like, oh, I got one more, and pull in the clutch, go to shift, and you got nothing. It's like, oh. So like, all those memes you see about how the DR-Z shift pattern is 1st, neutral, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 5th is like the truest thing ever. You're always just looking for another gear. Oh, I can't see. I'm literally being blinded right now. That's better. Now I can actually see until we get around this tree. Yeah, like that. I can barely see. You guys saw the other school I had to go by at the beginning of the video. I can't just cut through the traffic here like what I did there, because I actually go here. Luckily I have a light clutch, because this would be hell if I didn't. Just want to make sure she's in gear, not going anywhere. All right, we're good. All right, I'll see you guys after school. Okay, school's over. When we get off school property. I don't know. What? Hello?
Dude, go to the field, and if you want to come over, you can, because Tyler's at my house right now.
I'm hanging out with Rachel.
Oh, you fuck.
Spencer! Where are you going? Where are you going? Do you want me to?
Yeah. Yeah, add that on. Add that on.
Okay. Hey. Spencer, I'm gonna go in front of you. I just want to be able to talk to you. What? Why? Oh, you and Nick? Which way do you guys take home?
Go to the field, then we go back out west and go past Maypath.
I need gas. I might have to flip it to reserve on the way home.
What?
I'm at 83 miles and that's usually I fill up around like 70. So I might need to flip it to reserve on the way home.
Oh, wow. That's fucking cool. Just turn it off.
That was so fast. Supposed to be sunny today. It's not. It's cold. So that's really gonna do it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, all that good YouTube stuff, you know. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.